relationship and partnership with Millennium Automation since last 2 decades. Innovation, technology and partnership is the forefront of business model for both the organizations. Redington is a global pioneer in reducing technology friction, which is the gap between the rate of technology innovation and the speed of its adoption. And we acknowledge that our key partner Millennium Automation has successfully facilitated and accelerated the adoption of cutting-edge technologies, products and services to its customers across India and overseas also. Under the visionary leadership of CEO 𝐀𝐛𝐨𝐮𝐭 𝐑𝐞𝐝𝐢𝐧𝐠, Millennium Automation was founded with the commencement of 21st century, that is in the year 2000. MAPL is a next generation technology organization in the era of digitization. MAPL has emerged as a pioneer into IT and telecom infrastructure domain. Also, they are building their expertise and want to focus in the areas of command, control and communication, intelligence, surveillance, marine and aerospace applications. I must say, MAPL has a great, skilled and committed team of employees who put in their great efforts and provide superior services to all their valuable customers. Millennium Automation has successfully delivered various projects of national importance for defense, central and state governments, PSUs and enterprises. Few of the successful projects which they recently implemented are like they have completed 1,000 smart classroom projects for Jharkhand education, for which they were much appreciated by the government of Jharkhand. They have also commissioned for Indian defense 25 war room boardrooms across pan-India for 25 locations. MAPL believes that every organization has a moral responsibility to give back to the society. Under VSJ Foundation, they help into education, food distribution, healthcare, etc. to the needy people. We at Redington cherish our relationship with MAPL as both the organizations believe in respect, trust, customer centricity and strive for excellence. I would like to thank entire team of MAPL for the 20 plus years of extraordinary experiences and being an integral part of our successful journey. Thank you, team MAPL.